In the 1950s, doctors performed the very first kidney transplant. Fast forward to 2020, and we were 3D printing miniature beating hearts in labs. Today, I'm watching scientists edit genes, bioprint lungs, and literally grow tissues from scratch. Organ regeneration isn't stuck in the world of science fiction anymore. By 2030, organ donors might just become obsolete. Let's break down how we got here. First up, gene editing. At Regeneration, scientists used CRISPR like molecular scissors to remove dangerous viruses from pig organs, making them safer for humans. In 2022, a patient lived 60 days with a gene-edited pig heart beating inside his chest. That's not a headline from a comic book, that's real life. Then came the bioprinters. At Wake Forest, researchers loaded printers not with ink but with living cells, building lung tissue, one layer at a time, until it could actually exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide and spinal cord regeneration. In 2024, a team in Israel took engineered human cells and restored movement to paralyzed mice. Imagine years of theory finally turning into reality. So, what does this mean for us? A failing heart might no longer mean a ticking clock or a spot on a transplant waiting list. A spinal cord injury? Maybe just a detour, not a life sentence in a wheelchair. Soldiers wounded in battle, kids born with defects, crash victims, people like you and me, could live full, healthy lives with organs built from their own DNA. It's a world where repair becomes the rule, not the exception. But what if we could stop the damage before it even starts? Next time, I'll explore the vaccines that could make cancer vanish before it ever gets a chance to take hold. Stay tuned for episode 5, Cancer Vaccines, where prevention becomes the ultimate cure.